guess this is the last part of my series. It might not have a title, but I don't know. Anyways, so I'm pretty sure I said I would go head out this way to find. Yeah, I said I would. Alright, let's go. We're actually gonna head out this way. I just want to get this series done with because I actually started a different series, so yeah. I don't care if I will ever make it part 7. I'm probably not gonna. I did not know if there's gonna be anything, and it's raining, so yeah. This ain't a good start to the last part, probably the last part. Huh? That hurt something. Let's try to get a dog. Alright, we got a dog with us. We're chilling. We're gonna live this time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're definitely living. We just fell. Alright. I just want to find a different house. I can't live at the same area for so long. It just won't make sense. We're leaving the area behind. And not my dog, because I love my dog. Let's go into the cave. Find diamond. Okay, you made it. Alright. We gotta go this way. Alright. We have absolutely no armor. I just realized that. But we got this. We should actually get some iron, not gonna lie. We actually do need this iron, bruh. Oh. Alright, we gotta be careful. I don't think I'm being careful. Alright. Now we're being careful. We're actually about to die. Oh. Hold on. We need to eat real quick. There we go. Sorry if the quality's bad. I'm just outside again. Man, this cave sucks. We got lapis, but no diamonds? Nah, bro, this is a crime. I need my diamonds. Where are the diamonds? Huh? Get it. Oh. Yo, chill. We need to run. Hey, yo, chill. Gotta get out of here. Hell. We're gonna die. This is evil, man. And no diamonds. That's the most craziest part. You know what? If I can't have diamonds, then no one can. Actually, no, I'm not gonna end it. Oh yeah, I got it. Wait, where was the water? Up there, right? Yeah. Alright. We don't have much, things to work with. We're almost there. Alright. We need to get some blocks. Alright, and oh no, I think my dog just died in the lava. My dog. I saw particles, so I was like, my dog. I'm so sad. My dog's dead. I mean, we could make a house. Yeah, we could make a house. I mean, what's the fun if we don't? Oh wait, we got the perfect space. I need some wood though. I don't really have any. Yeah, good thing there's some wood up here. Yeah, it's right over here. Alright, let's go. Alright. And we made it. It's getting pretty dark. What the hell? Nah, bro. What is this glove? This is horrible, bro. Alright, let's go to bed and yeah. We need to go back and we're cooks anyways. So I don't know. Yo, did I just see a lace van? Alright, that's sick. That's one of the coolest things ever, bro. And alright. And up here. Are you kidding me? That gets me every time, bro. Alright. Let's get the rest of the wood. Yeah, now we have this side. We have barely any left. Alright. 17. Let's get the planks. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright. It didn't work. What do you mean, bro? I'm just trying to make a house. So this is the perfect area to do it. We just need to get rid of this. But it's gonna take too long. Alright, let's get building the house. gonna try to make a pretty normal house. Boom, boom, boom. This looks pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna put the door right here. We don't have enough cherry oaks. What's wrong with my character though? I just realized that. What the hell?